hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet ya. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. If she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style?
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Josiah, but I go by Saya, and today I'm going to be doing a college dorm tour. So, as you guys know, I go to Old Dominion University. It's my first year here, and I have not shown you guys my room yet. I have rearranged my room multiple times, and I think I finally found my stick and stand. It's also almost the end of the school year, so I feel like it's more accurate to show you guys my room tour towards the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully this gives you inspiration for you guys that are upcoming freshmen or college students already. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Here is the room as soon as you walk in. On the right, we have our cleaning supplies such as brooms, mops, and bucket. On the left is my closet area and hers as well, my roommate.
And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say how I love to keep you here.
Down below we have my shoe collection, and then I have a storage bin with a whole bunch of miscellaneous, another bin for shoes, and a mini suitcase. On the right is also our bathroom door. As you can tell, the sink is also right next to it on the outside of it. With a marble light countertop and a huge mirror to go with it. This is my favorite part of the room.
So many things I want to tell you. I think that I should start by saying,
Everyday makeup, I keep it in this clear container. Here we get this little storage cube that attached to our bed. Here is my attachment to my mini fridge. And then lastly, we have the TV and this 3-shelved storage unit. So that's it for my room tour and room layout. I hope you guys enjoyed the way my room is set up. Hope this is helpful to those who are coming to ODU next year and are living or planning on living in Owens. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye! I'm ready to pull up on you.